How to remove multiple accounts from Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you remove multiple accounts from Facebook. To do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, make sure that the Facebook application is completely updated. And then log into your account. As you're logged into your Facebook account, what next you want to do is simply click on the try bar icon from the top left corner of your screen. And then you could also do this procedure, that is, you could simply click on this arrow icon right in the top, and you could actually go ahead and click on the three dot or select the particular account that you want to remove it. Or else what you could do is you could simply go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click on log out. And once you are logged out, you'll be taken to the next field where you could see the particular account that you have. Here, if you want to click on the gear icon or the three dot icon from the top right and go to remove profile from this device, so you could actually simply go ahead and click on remove, and then you could just confirm it. That's how you could remove multiple accounts from Facebook. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.